I love the coastal contemporary design. It perfectly complements the Caringbah South lifestyle. You're so close to the beach and the bay, and in terms of inclusions, you've got ABI interiors, you've got a mix of Westinghouse appliances, you've got undermount lighting as well. What are your thoughts, Larissa?
Well, Matt, firstly, the colour palette of this home is beautiful. It's warm, it's neutral, and it's fresh. The layout is extremely well thought out. From the kitchen to the open plan living, al fresco overlooking the huge yard and pool.
And it's the perfect location. You're at a cul-de-sac street. You've got the ability to watch the kids outside playing on their bikes, and you're only around the corner from Water Street boat ramp. So you can put the jet ski or the boat in and have an afternoon on the Port Hacking River. Is this the one you've been waiting for?